Hey guys, how's it going? Coderman here. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a front license plate on the Bronco thanks to the guys over at 4x4truckleds.com. They ended up sending me a KR off-road front plate bracket. So we're going to be installing that and making it so that I can actually get this inspected. And if I show you right down here, that is actually where they want the factory or the dealer to install your license plate, but that wasn't happening. If you want to go ahead and grab one of these KR off-road front license plate brackets, I'll leave a link to it in the description and use the discount code CODERMAN to get 10% off. All right, before we get into installation, let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. So first off, you have your mounting hardware for your license plates. We have a bracket here that's actually made of aluminum, made in the USA, and powder coated black. And this actually comes with a lifetime warranty. So, you know, anything ever happens to this, you contact them and they're gonna set you up right. In addition to that, you know, that's all you have for the installation, but I love when companies send you just a little bit more. And in this case, they sent you some candy, an air freshener, some literature on the company, some decals, which always is fun. You're just gonna mount it right here, and that's it. You're gonna mount your license plate right here. So let's get right into this installation. So for this, you just need a T40 Torx, and you're gonna take off these two here. So let's go ahead and take these off. There's one. And there's two. And you're probably asking yourself, should you take off the third one? And the answer to that is no, because you'll see there's actually a notch right here, and it's actually gonna sit right in there. All right, next step is take one of your bolts, put this right where it's gonna go, and start it by hand. Like always, you don't wanna be cross-threading. And then go ahead and grab your second bolt and get that started by hand. All right, once it's hand tightened, grab your impact or your drill, whatever you're working with, and drive these home. All right, and that's now in place, and honestly, it looks pretty good. It actually blends in nice. Once the bracket's in place, you want to go ahead and mount up your plate, and that's a matter of just using the included hardware. I just went ahead and grab a wrench, put it behind here, and then tighten these down. All right, there you go. You have your license plate frame with your license plate, and I can go ahead and now go get an inspection sticker. Which I've been holding off because, like I said, I did not want to drill this. You know, so this is a really straightforward installation. Just a couple quick tools. Like I said, I really like the look of it. And if I come around to the side here, you'll see that it does not stick out much at all. And to top it off, it is not super low to the ground, so you shouldn't have any sort of clearance issues. Of course, if you're going extreme off-roading, you probably want to take your front plate off anyways. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you want to go ahead and grab one of these KR off-road front license plate brackets, I'll leave a link to it in the description and use the discount code CODERMAN to get 10% off. And thanks to the guys over at 4x4truckleds.com for sending this over. Like I said, it's all installed, ready to go. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.